Hello everyone, today we would like to present our project on Mixed Reality Assembly Instruction for Toggle Clamp Assembly. Mixed Reality or MR is an advanced technology that combines the real environment with digital elements to improve training and assembly processes. For this project, we use Vuforia Expert Chapter and HoloLens 2 to develop a step-by-step assembly instruction system. The system helps users understand the correct assembly process more clearly and efficient without depending fully on manuals. The selected mechanical assembly for this project is a toggle clamp where user can follow interactive visual guidance to complete the assembly process in the correct sequence.
Hi, today I will demonstrate how to use the HoloLens with the mixed reality by using the software that link is the Vuforia Vantage. So basically you can pop up like this and then go to the all apps and then find the Vuforia engine. I mean Vuforia Vantage. Then click it. So it's loading. So this is the interface of the Vuforia Vantage. So what I need to do is to launch the procedure. Click the launch procedure. And then scan the procedure QR to the load procedure. Find your QR. So this is my QR. And then you point it until it reaches. Alright. Yeah. So this is the toggle clamp installation, which is our project. So what you need to do is, first thing first is you need to click the start section. And then you can see the first step, and then this is the faces of this Vuforia Vantage. So you can click the pin to make sure the interface is not moving. So you just point on that position, and then what you need to do is you can watch the video, and also you can know the component of the toggle clamp. So click the button and watch it. So after I watch the video, so I can see this is the base for the project, and this is the link, add two links. This is the socket. If you don't know what is this component, you can look on the step. So this is the connector board, right arm, left arm, and also this is the small driver and two flash driver. So you can continue the process. Click the right. So this is the second step. You can watch the video. And then you can follow the video that I to do. After that, you can click the next button. And then this is the second step. So this is the video and then the description. Then you can continue. So this is the description for this video. And then you can watch it. This is the 5 step. You can play the video. Next step for the left arm and the right arm assembly, and then you can play the button.
Belah dalam lah. Belah dalam. Lagi satu.
Nanti angkat video.
And then after you assembly, you can continue to watch the next video. So this is the last step for this assembly part. So this is the description. You can watch the video. You can pause the video by clicking the play button, and then you can click this and do this exact same in the video. And then next, this is the final installation result video, and then you can play the button. And then after all the instruction is final, you can click the disk, and then you can finish the session to go to the home of the video. And then
In conclusion, our project successful development a mixed reality assembly introduction system for toggle clamp assembly using Fourier Express capture and Hololens 2. This project show how MR technology can improve the assembly process step by step Fourier generate. Throughout this project, we gain knowledge and technician skill in CAD, modeling, 3D printing, syncing, and mixed reality workflow development. This system also help improve user understand during the assembly process, increase confidence. Overall, this project demonstrates the potency of mixed reality technology in supporting smart manufacturing, technical training, and future industry assembly system.